guess what? I'm about to make another batch of what? Tote bag. Not just the regular tote bag, padded and fully lined. Yes, fully padded, fully lined. It has an inner pocket and a zipper. When I finish making this bag, you will love it and you will buy it. Yes, you will buy from me. I want to show you guys the materials that I used in making this bag. Okay, so I'm working this time around. I'm making different fabrics. Okay, both plains and African prints. So here's a black plain fabric here. You can see here I have other colors. You can see red, blue, brown, and I also have some African prints. You can see beautiful fabric, beautiful prints I'll use in making this bag. So the fabric, of course, is the main one. All right, then another material needed is this is a foam. You can get this from the furniture stores. Okay, so it comes in different sizes. So this one is 0.5 inch. So yeah, so this is perfect for this one. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm going to use. And remember I said it's going to be fully lined, so this is my lining as well. Okay, so I like to work with, this is suit lining, so I like to work with this one. Is better off. Okay, you can also use a bad lining. Okay, but suit lining to me is more professional. Yeah, so that's it. And another materials needed, hemming gum. So I can use the hemming gum, or in place of this you can use fabric gum. Okay, yeah, that one is kind of scarce, but this one is also very easy to work with, especially if you have, you know, the hemming gum comes in different sizes. There are ones that are very, very large, so if you have that one, even better. Okay, so it's going to help me place my fabric firmly on the foam. Okay, so that's the use of the gum. And of course, scissors, yeah, to cut. So I usually like to work with I don't like using the same scissors for my fabric to cut other stuffs like paper, foam. You know, it kind of weaken the scissors. Okay, so I usually have a separate scissors for my foam and my fabric scissors. Then of course some pins to hold the fabric at some point. Tape rule, very important. Chalk, yeah, just the basic sewing materials needed. Ruler to measure, and of course finally your sewing machine to do the finished work. It's a very beautiful piece. I've been making several of this. Okay, so this is just another batch, and yeah, I'm looking forward to finished look of this bag. So like I said, when I finish making this bag, you'll totally love it. And don't forget to patronize us. Okay, don't forget, this is not just the only fashion accessories that I make. I also make other fashion accessories like hair bonnets, different designs, hair bands, apron, cooking cap, slip rope, you know, so many of them. Okay, fashion accessories you can patronize, partner, so fashion. Okay, neat finishing, top notch. All right, yes, and of course you can have it in wholesales or retail. Yes, I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on this much later. Okay, yes, I'm working on that later on. And also let me introduce you to my DTF printing online class that is already ongoing. DTF printing is a method of branding and customization. Okay, it's a very good way to earn an extra income to whatever it is that you are doing, whether you are a sewist, a tailor, whether you are into artist designing, whether you're already doing a 9 to 5, or you are a stay-at-home mom. This is a good way to earn an extra income. Okay, imagine you just branding, having to brand a lot of things, from your garments wearing to your clothes, t-shirts, you know, fabric bags. You know, I do a lot of that, fabric bags, even your bonnet, your apron. I mean, it's so numerous to mention. Your gifting items or your souvenir items. Okay, yes, so the class is very, very detailed. Very detailed. When I mean very detailed, because you know I am all about details. Yes, so it's a very detailed class, so I'll be looking forward to see you there. And of course, be nice, be kind, to help share this information so that a lot of people can be aware of it. Okay, yes, so I'm going to drop in the flyer at the end of this video. Thank you guys. I'll see you on my next content. Bye.